Hey guys, cooldomino here. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. As you can see here, I've been rewinding this SD-10 motor right here. This is now fully rewound. This is the bad SD-10 motor. I still have the good one. I haven't touched this one. But this is the bad one right here. I got it rewound. It still needs new bearings though. As you can see, if I spin that a little bit, you can see it kind of makes a little bit of noise. But anyways, basically what happened was I got a big shout out to Civil Defense Sirens of Arizona, aka Micah Rakestraw, for giving me this siren right here. This came with his SD-10 that he gave me. There's the rotary stator for it right here. I'm not going to be sounding it off today because it's pretty loud and I don't feel like running it up. But I have sounded it off on a different video though. I'll put that video near the end of the video. But basically it's fully rewound, it's fully working. So yeah, I got connected my phase converter. We're going to give that a start. Got my meter. If you want to know more about the phase converter, there'll be a link up here in the card. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and... Well, this thing rolled around a lot when I tried to start it though. So we're going to put that there. We're going to roll this like that. Just to keep it from rolling around too much. I'm just going to hold it with my foot while I start it up. Now it's at full power. And you can see it's running at 3450 RPM. Hard to tell, but I don't really have an RPM meter, but it definitely is 3450 RPM. You can see if I put this on one of the phases here, we're on 11 amps. We're going to put this here. Okay, 7.3 amps, that's my third leg. And right here it's going to be 11 amps as well. My single phase line is 13.7 amps. And this one right here, let's get the ground out of the way, is 14.4 amps. So yeah, this motor is working the way it should. Finally working with this motor. This motor is pretty much the same thing as this motor now. They both have the same number of turns. So yeah, phase converter is working well. You can see it's running right there. See the running light is turned on. Both the lights on. I'm going to shut this off. Stop the converter. So yeah, this is actually working really well. I want to give a big shout out to Arizona Electric Motor Service for helping me and teaching me how to rewind an SD-10 motor right here. So yeah, big shout out to them. So yeah, not sponsored or anything, but yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get this back up and running again once I get the shroud and everything. This thing still pulls a lot of power though. And if you think I did it wrong though, make sure you watch the other video where I was testing this motor right here, because this motor is pulling the exact same power as this motor is while running. And so is inrush and everything. Inrush is still 100 amps and everything on there. So yeah, I'll put a video up right now of the siren running up though. So yeah. Here's what I did to the board right here. I added some like house insulation right here. Actually, it's got ripped off though, but look, for the most part, it seemed to hold on. This has gone around the intake rim right here, the stator rim, and basically that prevents more airflow, which reduces the inrush time. Because you know the inrush on this thing is 100 amps, but on the single phase line is 200 amps, around 200 amps. So yeah, and also I'll have before and after photo of what the windings look like before I rewound and after I rewound. So I'm going to put that on the screen now. Anyways, that's about it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.